Speaking of acquisitions, Commvault are friends that are formerly a data protection company, and they've shifted their conversation over to cyber resilience as of late, are set to acquire a company called Satori Cyber, which is an Israeli startup that specializes in monitoring data flows and securing AI. Satori was established in 2019 and provides a service that does not require an agent to be installed. It can monitor and manage access to structured data or AI training data on different platforms. By incorporating Satori's technology, Commvault will offer a comprehensive solution for securing sensitive data and AI development, including identifying and managing data, as well as controlling access, and of course, everybody's favorite solution, recovering from cyber attacks. There were no financial details posted because why would we do that? However, the deal is anticipated to be finalized in August. Al, do you think that Commvault rounding out their cyber resiliency story by picking up an AI security and resiliency company is a good move?
Yes, I think it is, and I think it really is a continuation of the story we've been seeing from Commvault. You may recall that Commvault presented at Cloudfield Day 23, and that was absolutely all about cyber resilience, about being able to recover and protect your applications running on your own cloud or in public cloud. Well, protecting data is kind of important too. And there's a huge amount of data that's being stored in these various platforms, like Snowflake, for example, uh, that is used for AI training, but that is particularly valuable corporate data. That's why you're training your AI on it, because it's the thing that makes your business different, and that's why you're making an AI different. So Commvault acquiring Satori seems like a really good move. Satori themselves, uh, relatively new startup, funding of the order of $25 million. So the purchase price is not going to be tuppence halfpenny, but it's hopefully not going to be the billions of dollars for Commvault at least. This Satori Data Access Cloud is a proxy service that sits between the consumer of the data and the data store itself. And so it's a security layer that's built on top of the existing data storage platforms. And that to me says that most of these data storage platforms haven't been designed very well for security, at least security at scale. And so the tools that Satori are bringing to the game here for Commvault are definitely around data governance and control of access to data, and then being able to make sure that we're not getting rogue AIs going through and deleting all of that data out of our large data stores. Uh, there's a whole bunch in here that is about sort of some of the more advanced security stance ideas are looking at behavior and looking at changes of behavior for a particular user or for a particular application. This is a really cool way of making sure that you're protected from compromised systems that are privileged and helping to avoid some of the lateral movement or data harvesting laterally. Nice to see that this provides both a software as a service platform, but also the ability to do self-hosted deployment. So I could run the entire Satori platform inside my organization. And I'm sure both of these options will be available from Commvault over time as this gets built into the wider Commvault platform. So definitely a continuing commitment here by Commvault to be about cyber resilience, not just data protection and recovery.